Penguin Random House India has issued a formal clarification on social media platforms stating that it holds the sole publishing rights for the 4 States of Destiny, the memoir of former Army Chief Manoj Mukund Naravane. Now emphasizing that the book has not yet been published in any format. In its post, the publisher said it was responding to a recent public discourse and media reporting surrounding the alleged circulation of a preprint version of the manuscript. The statement went on to warn that any version of the book currently being circulated amounts to copyright infringement. Responding to the FIR and publication statement, Rahul Gandhi said that the book is available on Amazon and shared a screenshot of a 2023 tweet by Naravane saying that the book was published.
Here is a tweet from Mr. Naravane. ये देख लीजिए please.
Can you read, sir, please?
Manoj Naravane ji. It's a tweet that says, "Hello friends, my book is available now. Just follow the link. Happy reading. Jai Hind." This is a tweet that Mr. Naravane has made. You can look into the tweet. So the point I'm making is, either Mr. Naravane is lying, and I believe the army chief. Okay, I don't think he will lie. Or Penguin is lying. Somebody needs to. Both cannot be telling the truth. Okay.
Do you think this is a conspiracy from the
No. Please listen to what I said. Penguin is saying something. They're saying the book is not being published. Right? The book is available on Amazon. General Naravane has tweeted, as I just read to you, that please buy my book. And I think he tweeted that in 2013, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, 2023. So Naravane ji, who's the army chief, who I believe, over Penguin. Do you believe Penguin over Naravane ji? Right? So I believe Mr. Naravane. He's the army chief. He has made certain statements in the book. That is inconvenient for the government of India. It's inconvenient for the Prime Minister of India. And obviously, you have to decide whether Penguin is telling the truth or army chief is telling the truth. That's the simple issue.
Viewers, this comes after Delhi police have registered an FIR over the circulation of an unpublished book by former Army Chief General Manoj Naravane on social media. The controversy began after leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi quoted from the yet-to-be-published memoir in Parliament and accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi of failing in his responsibility during the 2020 India-China standoff in Ladakh. Rahul Gandhi insisted the book exists, despite the Speaker and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh saying it has not been officially published or cleared. The episode has brought focus on strict rules that apply to senior military officers. Even after retirement under the Official Secrets Act, former top commanders cannot publish sensitive or classified information without prior government approval. General Naravane's memoir titled 4 Stars of Destiny remains unpublished as the Defence Ministry is yet to clear references related to the 2020 line of actual control standoff and the Agnipath scheme. Officials say violations of these rules can invite legal action and even lead to cuts in pension under service rules. Security experts warn that publishing sensitive details could also worsen India-China tension. The 2020 clashes, including the deadly Galwan Valley incident that killed 20 Indian soldiers, marked the most serious confrontation in decades. While disengagement talks have led to some easing of tensions, heavy troops deployment continues on both sides along the line of actual control.
जिस पेंगुइन का हवाला देकर ये कह रहे थे कि इसका पब्लिशर जो है नरवाने की किताब का तो पेंगुइन था ना। पेंगुइन ने कल रात जो है एक स्टेटमेंट जारी किया कि चाहे डिजिटल फॉर्म में हो, चाहे पीडीएफ फॉर्म में हो, चाहे फिजिकल फॉर्म में हो, किसी फॉर्म में कोई भी किताब अभी तक कोई छपी नहीं है। और जो लोग इस तरह की किताबें ला रहे हैं उसके ऊपर जो है हम कार्रवाई करेंगे, एक्शन करेंगे और जो भी उनकी रेमेडीज है वो करेंगे। और इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर वही है, इस पार्लियामेंट के नियम कानून हैं। इस पार्लियामेंट में आप किसी भी मुद्दे को गुमराह नहीं कर सकते। कोई ऐसा पेपर आप ऑथेंटिकेट नहीं कर सकते जो कि जेन्युइन नहीं है। राहुल गांधी जी ने सारी पराकाष्ठा क्रॉस कर दी। जब पब्लिशर कह रहा है कि हमने बुक पब्लिश ही नहीं किया, तो कौन सा बुक आप पब्लिश करके बुक घूम रहे हो? फिर पार्लियामेंट में, लोकसभा के अंदर जो है आपने सदन को गुमराह किया। तो मेरा तो लोकसभा स्पीकर से यह आग्रह होगा कि इनके ऊपर जो है कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, जिससे भविष्य में कोई भी मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, ये जो लोकतंत्र का मंदिर है, इसको जो है सोरोस के कहने पर जो देश तोड़ने वाली ताकतों के साथ ये सारे तत्व काम कर रहे हैं, वो सारे तत्वों का जो है खात्मा हो जाए और लोकसभा की गरिमा, पार्लियामेंट की गरिमा और इस संविधान की गरिमा जो संविधान से चलता है वो जारी रहे।
If the book was not published, how was it listed for advance orders on every online platform in the December of 2023?
I think the Delhi police simply doesn't understand how the publishing world operates or how modern publishing is. When a book is written, it's widely circulated among critics. It's given for review, so that many people have access to it. For them to say that publication and it's been leaked before that, I have no understanding on what cause they're going to be acting on this on this matter. And today, publication doesn't mean physical publication; it also means publication in the public domain. So even a tweet, a reel, or a Facebook post is publication. So anyway, this is yet another misadventure by the law enforcement agencies under this government.
जी देखिए, अब विपक्ष जो है वो आप देख सकते हैं कि हर हदें जो है वो पार कर रहे हैं, और ना कि सिर्फ आई थिंक ये पार्लियामेंट, जबकि पूरा देश शर्मसार है। आपने देखा कि राहुल गांधी ने कल एक इलीगल अनऑथराइज्ड बुक को जो है यहाँ पर किस तरह से उन्होंने पूरे न्यायपालिका का जो है अपमान किया है, और अब उसका वो हमेशा कहेंगे कि हाँ जैसे करते हैं माफी मांगेंगे, लेकिन पेंगुइन पब्लिशिंग हाउस ने आज कहा है कि इट इज कम्प्लीटली इलीगल एंड अनऑथराइज्ड। तो आप देख लीजिए, विपक्ष ही हम भी विपक्ष, मैं कहती हूँ इनकी खुद की पार्टी शर्मसार है, और प्रधानमंत्री जी पर जो है हर तरीके की जो है वो ये लोग साजिश कर रहे हैं।
Well, viewers, it's an ongoing tussle inside the parliament. Today, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi said that there are two versions: either the former army chief M.M. Naravne is lying or Penguin is lying. Now, the leader of opposition said that the book is available in Amazon, and under these circumstances, the leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, chooses to believe former army chief M.M. Naravne's statement.